What's up, online shoppers? If you're looking to contain the chaos in your deck and you're looking for a stylish way to do it, you've got to think about this. This is the YITAHOME's 31-gallon resin wood grain deck box, and it's a great way to add storage, seating, coffee table to your deck with little to no extra effort. Besides, who doesn't like to contain the chaos? It goes together in a snap. Took me less than 10 minutes to put together. Each of these little pieces just snaps in, put it together, give it a good pound on your hand, and the pieces snap into place. No tools required. Now, I've bought a ton of YITAHOME products before, and they last and last and last, and this one should be no different. I've had this for a couple of years now. It looks as good as the day I bought it. Now, I like this because it's rated for about 350 pounds, which means it's great for sitting on as well. And the fact that the surface is super flat means it actually doubles as a coffee table too. This one here I use on my front porch for deliveries. I don't like my packages sitting out for everybody to see, so I have a little rider on all of my delivery instructions that the packages are to go inside the small box on the deck. Now, I know it's not really foolproof, but at least it keeps them away from prying eyes, and I just know to go and check this when I get home from work because my packages are probably waiting for me inside. Weather resistant, UV fade proof resin, faux wood grain, easy handle so you can move this around really nice. It seals all the way around. It's a really great deck box for keeping your cushions, your kids' toys out of the rain, away from mice, out of the spiders, dust, pollen. These are excellent for that. Really compact, but it's still big enough to hold a lot of stuff. 22 by 21 by 17, which makes it a really nice size for fitting a whole bunch of stuff. All of the cushions from my chairs at the front fit inside here, all my throw cushions and decorative things as well. So I have one of these at the front of my house where I use just for cushions. I love this little deck box because it doubles, it's stylish, and it's functional. I can sit on it, I can put my drink on it, I can stow my packages or my parcels, my patio cushions in it, and it looks fantastic too. The construction of it, the materials, they do well in all kinds of weather conditions. It's not something that you buy once and have to upgrade again in a year. It definitely held its shape, it's held its construction, its color. It looks as good as the day I bought it a couple years ago, and I'm really happy with it. So whether you're looking for a way to contain the chaos on your deck, to add in additional seating, or to provide a place to stow packages for delivery, this little 31-gallon deck box from YITAHOME is absolutely awesome and definitely a family favorite at my house.